For the project of supply chain disruption agent, we analyzed the problem statement itself, and we tried to find the existing history and all the incidents that happened and caused some real business impact. Based on that, we did some research and found one of the major case studies of Ericsson and Nokia. So, in that case study, we realized that there was no we monitor the disruption of supply chain easily, but the impact that is caused by that disruption, we are not able to manage it. So here is the example of Ericsson and Nokia. Ericsson didn't analyze the impact that is caused by disruption in supply chain, and they lost $2.34 billion of business. Whereas Nokia, when the disruption happened, they uh, like did analyze their existing market and shipped through the new quarter and took the market share easily. So analyzing all the supply chain is one of the most important part with your supply chain. So you have to analyze it with your existing infrastructure. So what research actually says is, so detection is solved. Basically, time to detect is around 8.7 hours. So usually businesses take 8.7 hours to detect the actual disruption in supply chain, but time to understand what like it will affect is like 40.9 hours. So it is actually 5 to 6 business days, and this can bite any business pretty much, because we don't realize. We have seen this with the petrol prices that increased in India due to Hormuz and other supply chain disturbance. Yeah, then the control travel fails at actual job. The shipper call controls tower with 22% efficiency. Then input planners as well, like 65%. So these are one of the major issues that we saw. Okay, so here we have given the simulator. I will directly go in. So we will jump into the MVP. In the MVP, you can see there are multiple disruptions that we have analyzed. Based on that, we have done some runs. I'll show you. So here you can see there are these supplier messages that are provided by this inbox. Okay, so it is saying that due to transport issues, delivery may be 5 to 7 days uh, delayed. So based on that, it has analyzed all these risks and analyze this risk, what components it is we have in our register, and based on that, it has done all the activity and took some tool calls. Based on that, it will check with other suppliers and check the purchase order and other different things, did all the agents, and based on that, it automatically replied to our supplier what we need to supply, what we need to do. It will take all the end-to-end decision making based on this, and we have this multiple approval flow. So let's say if it want to try to buy from another supplier because certain disruption happen with the current supplier, it will automatically do that, but it will ask for approval with humans. Then this is mail. Here you will get the mails that is get by the project as well as the supplier. So it will automatically get here, it is the inbox. Then here we can do all the suppliers. Here in the ERP records, uh, you can see the ERPs. We have also added this data source as a Excel sheet, because mid-range companies don't manage the ERP system. They will try to manage their inventory on the Excel sheet itself. So we have analyzed this, and for the testing purpose for them and to get the users pretty quickly, we have added this. And uh, this is what it prevented. So it will automatically analyze using agent what it prevented, and it will give all this data like what it caught, then without it what would have happened, and what the avoided cost, and what was the exposure of if without the agent, what we have uh, what it would have done, and all these things. And then the last page is audit and score. Based on the handling of agent, it will automatically do itself audit and what happened, and it will give a score. So this is the full-fledged application for the disruption and the impact caused by supply chain disruption management. And this is how the agent end-to-end works. Yeah, thank you.